Welcome to this new episode of 4C Law Partners. Today we are going to discuss and talk about a new law which is going to regulate the education of dental science, what you call it commonly Bachelor of Dental Science, Masters of Dental Science, a bill or a new law which is going to henceforth regulate the health services related to the dental science and its admission, its licensing and other details. Before this act came into effect, India was getting all these requirements or the education of the dental science under an act called Dentist Act 1948. With the passing of this new act from the Indian Parliament on the 24th of July 2023, the new act, the old act, Dental Act, has been repealed, has come to a standstill. Dentist Act 1948 has come to be nullified and the new act is going to shape the education practice of the dentistry in India. The new act is known as National Dental Commission Bill 2023. Now let's see the significant feature of this new act. I know you have a question. Yes, with this new act coming, the old medical, the old body of the National Dental Commission of India also stands repealed. As it was done in the case of MBBS education, following the same pattern, now this national body, the Dental Council of India, stands repealed, like the Medical Council of India MCI was replaced by a new body, National Medical Commission NMC. Similarly, now we have Dental Medical Commission DMC. So now let's come back to what are its significant feature. The first and foremost which hits you or which correlates with you directly is the new examination which is going to be introduced after the passing of this new bill, that is going to be called next exam for PDS. Now next exam is compulsory if you want to study or join a bachelor course in dental science. This exam is also compulsory if you are going to join a postgraduate course in dental science. Apart from this, you have to also clear this exam if you want to practice as a dentist in this country. It is also a mandatory qualification now if you want to register yourself in the state registers of the dentist or the national register of the dentist. So these are some salient features or the significant changes after the implementation of the new act. The government is claiming that the new act was the need of the hour, one, for bringing the Indian dental education as well as the services to this international standard. Government also felt that the quality of the education as well as the services both needs a significant improvement. Third, government also wanted to make the dental education as well as the dental facilities or the dental health services more affordable, more accessible, taking it to the masses. And it felt that the oral hygiene and the oral health of the Indian is very important. So these are the objective behind introducing this new bill. as I have pointed out, that the new bill is going to regulate the profession of the dentistry in the country. It is going to provide quality and affordable dental education. It is going to make the dental services accessible, high quality oral health care for the entire Indian population. So, under this new act, there will be NDC, which will consist of a chairman and 8 ex officio members and 24 part-time members. Central government would be responsible or shall be responsible for constituting various autonomous body under NDC, National Dental Commission, which will be supervising, regulating and doing various activities. So, the 3 or 4 boards which are going to come up under NDC are: one for the undergraduate and postgraduate dental education, which will be called Undergraduate and Postgraduate Dental Education Board. The second important board would be the Dental Assessment and Reality Board. The third important board will be the Ethics and the Dental Registration Board. And these boards will be autonomous, will function on its own without the interference of the government. So, every autonomous board shall constitute of a president and not more than 2 whole-time directors and not more than 2 part-time directors. So, these boards will oversee the function of the permission for establishment of the new dental college. It will also even regulate and see the permission to start new PG courses, to increase the number of seats in undergraduate or the postgraduate courses, criteria for approving and disapproving an scheme, right of a person to practice as a dentist, and it will also see the right of a person to enroll in the national and the state register, and it is also going to take control of taking away your degree, examining the authenticity of your degree, putting a bar on your practice, recognizing or de-recognizing of the colleges, as well as the dental qualification, the grant of the central government, and the constitution of the National Dental Commission Fund, audit, accounts, furnishing of reports and returns to the central government. All these things would be taken care by this newly constituted board under the NDMC. Last but not the least, the most important aspect is the National Exit Test Dental. Now this test is compulsory for BDS graduate as well as a common final year students taking the examination, which will be known as National Exit Test Dental. Any person who wants to practice as a dentist in that country will have to appear and pass this exam. It is also a mandatory qualification for enrollment in the state register or the national registration. Yes, the one thing, when it is going to commence, so the bill talks about 3 years gestation period for this, the measures under this new act to commence, and once this act comes into the force, then all the existing norms and the regulation will come to stand still. Any person, yes, the most important, I know a lot of you people studying abroad, especially in MBBS and BDS and MDS abroad, would be interested to know what will happen to your fate, what will happen to your degree. Then this act clearly says that a person with a foreign degree is eligible to practice in India, provided as per the other guidelines, the college from where he has graduated or postgraduate is recognized, but will have to take this test to and pass this test to practice in India or take admission in the postgraduate study or to be part of the state and national register. Henceforth, all the admissions under UG or PG will be through this single examination called National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. Till this test become operational, the Act provides for admission in PG courses of Master of Dental Surgery through a stopgap arrangement or a temporary arrangement that is called National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, MDS. So with this, I think I have answered all your questions related to this new act that is known as National Dental Commission Bill 2023. If you have more questions, please write in my comment box. I will try to reply it. You can also connect me through my website, through my other Facebook page, Twitter, LinkedIn, and I will try to answer your question. See you in another episode with another interesting as well as the timely topic related to law in India. Till that time, I bid goodbye to you all. Do subscribe this channel and press the notification button to get the latest from the legal world of India. Thank you.